Hi teammates, it's Mrs. Grantham, and today we are going to be looking at the Touch Math Money rules for pennies, nickels, and dimes. Are you ready? So last time we talked about pennies and nickels, and this is one penny. This is the front of the penny. This is the back of the penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Very good. So this is one penny. And I run my finger across the penny horizontally and count by one. 1. 1 penny, 1 cent. Run your finger across once. Great job. Let's review the nickel. A nickel each time. Oops, before we do that, what is this? Heads, or the front of the nickel. And what's this? Tails, or the back of the nickel, because a nickel has, just like a penny, has two sides. And our rules are, each time I touch a point, I count by 5. And how many points does one nickel have? It has 1 point. So I count by 5s when I touch the point, and I know from skip counting, when I skip count by 5s, my first number is 5. 5. And that's it. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents because it has 1 touch point, and when I touch that, I skip count by 5s. Look at you. All right, let's learn about the dime. So a dime, this is a dime, just like a nickel and a penny, has a front side and a back side. This is the front of the penny, or heads. This is the back of the penny, or tails. Why do you think this is called heads? Yeah, there's a face on it. There's a head on it. So that tells us that that is the front of the nickel, or excuse me, the dime, and it's called heads. Now a dime is different. It's smaller than a nickel, but it has 2 touch points. And just like a nickel, we skip count by 5s on those touch points. So remember, skip counting by 5. When we skip count by 5, our first number is 5, and our next number is 10. So a dime is worth 10 cents. 5, 10, 10 cents. 1 dime, 10 cents. Okay, we're going to practice using pennies, nickels, and dimes. Get that brain all warmed up.